If you're a brick and mortar business, or if you have a local presence, then it's important to know that your potential customers are using search engines to look for local products and services. And search engines are getting pretty good at giving users exactly what they want, with some very specific local types of search results. Let's say you're in Boston with a toothache that needs some immediate attention. These days, the first thing you're likely to do is head to a search engine and start typing something like Boston Dentist. And looking at the current market share data, you're more likely to do it on Google than anywhere else. In the search results, you'll see a list of businesses in the Boston area matching your search. You'll see some special listings with location markers and a map that shows you where all of those businesses are located. When you click on that marker, you end up in a Google Maps interface showing a map of the area surrounding the business and plenty of information and reviews on the left. For each business listing you see, you can either click the link over to the website or head over to that particular business's Google My Business page, where you can find reviews, photos, take a virtual tour, and even see who in your social circles has had anything to say about that business. The bottom line is that if you're a dentist in Boston and you don't have this kind of local listing on the search engines, your phone isn't very likely to be ringing. So how do you position yourself to have your business featured in these special local search results when users type in search queries with a local intent? Well, there are a few things you can do. First off, you're going to need to have a Google My Business listing. If you've done this with previous versions of Google Places or Google Plus Local, chances are that all you'll need to do is review your listings and make a few updates for the new features. But if not, you'll want to head over to google.com/business and walk through the process of setting up and verifying your business listing as soon as possible. And of course, you'll want to head over to Bing and do their version of these local listings too, which you can find at bingplaces.com. Next, we'll need to understand the concept of citations. Each and every mention that a search engine finds around the web of a name, address, or phone number of your business is considered a citation. And the more citations a business gets from quality sources, the more the search engines trust that this is a business searchers are looking for, and the higher it can rank in these local search results. Next, your website is a critical piece of your local marketing strategy. You'll want to make sure that you have separate pages on your website for each service or category of products you offer. And you'll want to make sure that your business's name, address, and phone number are clearly identified on your website. Of course, remember your content strategy and make sure that you have relevant keywords in your copy to ensure optimal search performance. Focusing on creating, maintaining, and growing your local search engine listings, building consistent and quality citations of your name, address, and phone number around the web, and focusing on the content of your website are the key ingredients you'll need for local search success.